What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna veganize chocolate chip cookies. Alright guys, so for today's chocolate chip recipe, I did a little homework and I found out that this chocolate chip was created in 1938 in Massachusetts, and today we're gonna veganize it and turn it gluten-free, guys. Alright, so we're gonna start with the sugar and the butter, guys. This butter was cooked on the stove for 5 minutes, guys. There's a method to this, guys. This will be in the description below. Alright, so I'm gonna add this sugar right here, guys. Again, this is the chocolate chip recipe. The recipe is in the description below. Don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe, guys. Alright, let's go. So we're gonna add this in, guys, and just start mixing it. You can see that beautiful brown sugar, guys. Start mixing that. Alright, family, so after you put your sugar in your butter, guys, you're gonna want to grab your egg replacer, guys. Alright guys, so this is a trick that I'm giving away, and you guys don't have to wait for this trick to be in my book. I used Just Eggs, guys. Just Eggs is a great egg replacer, guys. And what I did was add some chia seeds also in the recipe so that it could help it bind it together and replace what we used to use, guys, which was eggs. Alright, so we're gonna add that in. Add one more thing, vanilla. Alright guys, after whisking your ingredients, you want to let it set for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to come back and repeat that same method, guys. Alright guys, so after we let our butter and egg replacer mix wait for 5 minutes, remember, you have to repeat this method 3 times, guys. Alright, whisk for 1 minute, put it to set for 5 minutes, and repeat. So now we're gonna add our dry mix into the wet ingredients, guys. Alright guys, so we're gonna begin to just keep folding until the flour dissolves, guys, into it and it becomes one. So keep folding it, guys. Alright guys, so after you finish folding, right, you're gonna want to add your chocolate chip and you're gonna add them in. These chocolate chips, guys, are gluten-free and you can find them anywhere. I will leave everything for you guys in the description below. Again, if you like what you see, hit that like button, smash and shake on that bell, subscribe. And we're gonna just fold and keep folding all the beautiful chocolate chip, guys. So after we added the chocolate chip scoop, alright, and just put it on your tray. Alright guys, so you want to give your cookies 2 inches apart because these cookies will spread, guys, and then if it spreads, then it's going to get stuck together and it's not going to be a nicely round shaped cookie. Alright, if you're using an oven, guys, remember you have to put this on 375 for 8 to 10 minutes. If you're using an air fryer, you have to just be mindful and watch it. My air fryer, I'm gonna put these in for 340, guys, for 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, so let's do that. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the cookies are all ready, guys. Check this out. Gluten-free vegan cookies, guys. They look incredible. I know it's tempting to eat these cookies, guys, but let them set for 2 minutes in this pan, guys, and then after that, remove them, put them on this wire rack for about 5 minutes, guys. If you want the best results, you have to follow instructions. If you like what you see, hit that bell, guys, smash on that like button, and subscribe. Alright guys, put your cookies on these racks. Let this cookie set for 5 minutes, guys, and then you can eat it. Let's wait 5 minutes. It's finally ready. Vegan, gluten-free chocolate chip cookies, guys. Check it out. I can't wait. I can't wait to try, guys. These are gluten-free. Look at them. They're so sexy, guys. Gluten-free. And to wash this down, I'm gonna have some Oatly milk. Alright guys, so The recipe is in the description below. Again, the recipe is in the description below, and it can also be found on vegankingsworld.com, guys. All right, so let's go in for this bite. Wow. Whoa. This is not only gluten-free, guys, but it's vegan. If you like what you see, don't forget, hit the like button, swing on that bell, subscribe, and hi to all the new subscribers. Peace.